Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share motivation, financial freedom, and personal development tips. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $5 in 1 minute in 2023. Yes, you heard me right. You can make $5 in just 60 seconds with these simple and easy methods that anyone can do. But before I reveal these methods, let me give you a disclaimer. This is not a scam or a trick. These are legit and proven ways to make money online fast. However, you need to be quick and act fast because these opportunities may not last long. Now that we got that out of the way, let me tell you how to make $5 in 1 minute in 2023. Method number 1, claim your free money from Rakuten. The first method to make $5 in 1 minute is to claim your free money from Rakuten. Rakuten is a cashback app that pays you for shopping online at thousands of stores like Amazon, Walmart, Target, etc. All you have to do is sign up for Rakuten with this link and you will get a $40 bonus when you spend $40 or more within the first 90 days. That's like getting $40 worth of stuff for free. Plus, you will also get cash back every time you shop online through Rakuten. You can get up to 40% cash back at over 2,500 stores. You can also get cash back for in-store purchases, travel bookings, and more. Rakuten pays you via PayPal or check every quarter. You can also earn extra money by referring your friends and family to Rakuten. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Rakuten today and claim your $40 bonus before it's gone. Method number 2, download the Nielsen Panel app. The second method to make $5 in 1 minute is to download the Nielsen Panel app. Nielsen Panel is an app that pays you for sharing your internet usage data with them. All you have to do is download the app on your smartphone or computer and let it run in the background. You don't have to do anything else. The app will collect anonymous data about your online behavior and send it to Nielsen. Nielsen will use this data to improve their products and services and provide insights to their clients. Your privacy is protected and your personal information is never shared. By downloading the app, you will earn $50 per year automatically. Plus, you will also get a chance to win up to $10,000 every month in their sweepstakes. So what are you waiting for? Download the Nielsen Panel app today and start earning passive income. Method number 3, answer surveys on Inbox Dollars. The third method to make $5 in 1 minute is to answer surveys on Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is a survey site that pays you for sharing your opinions on various topics. All you have to do is sign up for Inbox Dollars with link and you will get a $5 bonus instantly. Then, you can start answering surveys that match your profile and interests. You can earn anywhere from 25 cents to $5 per survey depending on the length and complexity of the survey. You can also earn money by watching videos, playing games, reading emails, and more. Inbox Dollars pays you via PayPal or gift cards once you reach $30 in your account. You can also earn extra money by referring your friends and family to Inbox Dollars. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Inbox Dollars today and claim your $5 bonus right away. These are the 3 methods that can help you make $5 in 1 minute in 2023. They are easy, fast, and legit ways to make money online without any hassle. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might benefit from it. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.